Hey folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have number 884 ready. And it's a tenor ukulele and it's strung left-handed. So it's a little bit of a puzzle for me to play it for you. It's got a beautiful mahogany back and sides. I believe this is a piece of African mahogany. Got this from the Carpenter Ant Stash in Portland. And then a beautiful Engelmann spruce top. Really old fine grain wood. And Engelmann spruce stays brighter white while Sitka gets darker over time. So some folks, they like this lighter colored look. It's got a Spanish cedar neck that was salvaged from a builder when he retired. And then a beautiful pistachio fretboard head plate and bridge with my own homemade rope binding that is a random layout of multiple species of wood. Sort of a scrap wood rope binding, which I really like. And yeah, spruce and mahogany, it's great. I mean, spruce tops is always great, you know. It's cheerful, it's bright, but got good sustain. Yeah, it's great. Lightweight but solid, and it's got that cheerful present tone. I really like it. So that's number 884, ready to go.